Private and public schools are still working to transition from face to face learning back to online after the governor recently announced about suspending in person instruction. Governor Lulian Guerrero announced Friday that face to face school instruction for pre kindergarten through the 12th grade would be suspended, which came into effect earlier today. The decision was made after consultation with Guam Department of Education Superintendent John Fernandez. We spoke with private school officials about their transitioning plan. With a late notice of the in person school suspension, Harvest Christian Academy School Administrator Pastor Jeremy Zajic said that they are scheduled to begin online classes this Wednesday.
Well, a couple of things. So our teachers are getting better and better at delivering online learning. It's not optimal. We know that. We did standardized testing even in an online format. Kids are their learning trajectories are being affected, so we got to keep that in mind. That being said, all of the experience we have from last year is being leveraged. So we have one day of in-service, which is today, to really coordinate some schedules and get some of those things rolled out to parents. And then Tuesday for us is materials pickup because we were notified after school really on Friday. And so kids need the books and the materials to get going. So we'll be launching Wednesday morning with our online classes.
To date, there have been only 3 students who contracted the virus at Harvest Christian Academy. Unlike Harvest Christian Academy, Father Duane's Memorial School and St. John's School had a smooth transition from face-to-face to online. Moving forward, private school heads are asking to be a part of the discussion regarding school closures. FDMS principal Ismail Perez explains.
Tony, we are looking for that measurement to get back on campus, and hopefully they do, like Jeremy said, engage the professionals in the education field and look for solutions, because we might be able to come up with creative ways to do that, to get back on campus in a safe way, even if it's cohorts, half campus. We might find ways to do academics on campus in a safe and controlled way that might meet requirements. Right. But we need to be given that chance to help with that solution.
There were 4 students at FDMS who tested positive for the virus. About 93% of school staff are fully vaccinated against the virus. Meanwhile, GDOE is still working with the transition in accordance with the executive order. During the community and parent input session Saturday, parents asked why the scheduled cohorts from last school year cannot be adopted this school year as well. GDOE Superintendent John Fernandez.
In the event that we need to make a change, cohorts would be, and we have been working with the schools to prepare them for that eventuality. The governor has informed me that because of what they're seeing on the healthcare side, because of the increases and again, I think the term "this is going to get better before it gets worse," she likened it to an infection that needed to be treated, and that we needed to address it urgently and at once to really stem that and stop that infection, and that suspending in-person learning, in her judgment, would be more effective than taking half measures, which is what we were requesting in terms of the cohorts.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, Wahusi Isaiah Uggan.